Hi, I'm Dr. Dermott McMeel. I'm from the University of Auckland, and I'm a researcher in new technology in architecture and construction.
And I'm Yusuf Patel at the University of Auckland. I'm looking at how digital fabrication can create better buildings for New Zealand.
This is a really interesting project. It's looking at how we can use new technology to make building houses more affordable, faster, and still retain high quality. It's completely digitally fabricated, so it's made completely out of plywood sheets that are put onto a big computer-controlled router that then are cut out. So it's completely done at a very, very high quality. And it's very easy to put it together and assemble it. In fact, we built it at the Faux Arts Festival in West Auckland, Avondale. At the end of last year, we started the construction where we were building it with the public, with an entire arts festival going on around us. And it was incredibly safe and it was incredibly fun.
Smartfit was perfect for our system because it was one whole piece. We could just get it and install it straight in without too much complications compared to a conventional window.
Because our system is all about being able to build fast and being able to build simple but maintain high quality. And that is exactly what the Smartfit system was also setting out to do. So it was a perfect fit.
So Smartfit was perfect for a prefabricated approach, especially for our EdFab project, mainly because it was modular and it was really easy to put in. It allowed us to make a quick installation without complicating our construction system, and therefore we thought it was the most appropriate system. Some of the unique features that I like with the Smartfit system is the integrated sill and integrated top flashing. It allows for a really quick installation without the hassle of figuring out tapes and bitumen pads and stuff like that.
It comes with all the flashings integrated, so it's very easy. It comes to site, it's very easy to put it in, screw it in and tape it, and you're done.
Installing a Smartfit window or door is easier and faster than traditional installation. So you can see it was a smart choice for the University of Auckland. How does it happen? First, check the sill trimmer and jambs are level and plumb. Now, lift the fully integrated door into the opening. Secure it and check that everything is level and plumb. Now, screw the door into position through the jamb, sill and head fixing fins. Simultaneously, you can tape over the fixing fin to the wall underlay. Finally, fix reveals into place using good carpentry practice. And you're done.
My favourite aspect of the Smartfit window is how it sits into the cavity and creates an air seal with the flashing tape.
I'd recommend the Smartfit system. It comes with all the flashings integrated. It's a very simple process of being brought onto site, placed in, screwed, taped, and you're done.